into myself. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be the 9th video of our Navratri series. And yes guys, finally it's the last video of our Navratri series and truly I have mixed emotions about it. I'm sad, also I'm very happy because I have worked a lot for this series, you guys. I have put so much hard work. I am recording this video also at night 1:30 and because morning I'll be editing and at night only I have time to record the videos. So I have put a lot of hard work for this series and I'm happy that this is finally coming to an end, but still I'm sad that I could have done better for this series. Let me know in the comment section of how you feel about this series, and if you are new here and if you're thinking what is Navratri series and what's going on, it's basically a series which I started wherein I said you that I would be posting a video every single day of Navratri, and we're finally at the last video today. And yes, as I said, I am happy and sad too. So today's video is going to be Devi Siddhidatri inspired makeup look and tutorial. So Devi Siddhidatri is worshipped on the 9th day of Navratri, which is the last day of Navratri too, and her name literally means Siddhi means victory and Datri means provider. So her name literally means victory provider. So the one who worships Siddhidatri Devi is gonna gain victory for sure. It is also believed that one side of Lord Shiva's body is Devi Siddhidatri and hence he is also known as Ardhanarishwar. And Devi Siddhidatri has 4 arms in which she carries different weapons and accessories, and her sari color is peacock blue color. So we'll keep all of these points in our mind and we'll get started with the last video of our Navratri series. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first I'll be priming my face using this Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer. And now I'll be applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And now I'll quickly blend all of this foundation and then come back. Now I'll be using this dark brown bronzer to fill in my eyebrows. And now I'll be using this Insight HD concealer to clean out my eyebrows. So you guys can see I'm done doing the eyebrows. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. I'll be using this You Can Be Spotlight eyeshadow palette for today's makeup look. As my saree color is peacock blue with pink, I'm gonna be doing the eyeshadow to match the saree itself. So I'll start off by using this light blue eyeshadow and I'll blend it in my crease. be using this blue shimmer shadow over here and I'll blend it in my outer corner. So now I'll be applying the Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Champagne.
That's good.
And now on top of this Swiss Beauty Metallic Eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this dark pink shimmer shadow over here and I'm going to be blending it. So I'm done with this eye eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be doing the same to this eye and then come back. So I'm done with this eye makeup also. So now let's move on to eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply the same eyeliner to this eye and then come back. My under eyes using this Insight HD concealer. So Mini Pony Red Liquid Lipstick.
That's good.
So I'm pretty much done with my makeup. Only the thing left out is applying the false eyelashes, which I'll be applying off camera anyway. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the jewelries, the accessories, the sari, the blouse and everything that I'm going to be using in today's look. And yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It was really a hard work and very tough effort for me, but still I'm really happy and the results are great. I've spent a lot of money, hard work and a lot of time, you guys. Literally all my Dasara vacation has gone into this Navratri series, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and also like all the videos of Navratri series and share it with your family and friends. It will help me a lot. Do comment down below your thoughts and I'll be very happy. So yeah, I'll meet you guys with my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe and be happy.
सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षाधैर सूरैरमरैरपि सेव्यमान सदा भूय सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षाधैर सूरैरमरैरपि सेव्यमान सदा भूय सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षाधैर सूरैरमरैरपि सेव्यमान सदा भूय सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी ॐ देवी सिद्धिदात्रे नमः। 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 ॐ देवी सिद्धिदात्रे सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षाधैर सूरैरमरैरपि सेव्यमान सदा भूय सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षाधैर सूरैरमरैरपि सेव्यमान सदा भूय सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षाधैर सूरैरमरैरपि सेव्यमान सदा भूय सिद्धिदात्रे